Experience deep relaxation and heightened awareness with this guided alpha state meditation. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Welcome, lush shiners. The alpha state is a place of deep relaxation and heightened awareness, a gentle bridge between wakefulness and calm. In this state, your brainwaves slow to 8 to 14 Hz, allowing your mind to feel clear, open, and receptive. Stress fades away. Your body naturally restores itself, and your thoughts become more fluid and creative. This is where intuition deepens, focus sharpens, and inner peace unfolds effortlessly. As you enter this guided relaxation, you'll begin to release tension, restore your energy, and quiet your mind. With regular practice, accessing this deep state of relaxation will become easier and more natural, anytime, anywhere. With each session, relaxation will come more naturally, leaving you feeling lighter, clearer, and deeply refreshed. Right now, you are exactly where you need to be. This is your time to relax, to recharge, and to reconnect with your inner calm. Before we begin, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Whether you're sitting or lying down, make sure your body feels fully supported. No strain, no effort. If you're sitting, let your spine be straight yet relaxed. Your hands resting gently in your lap or at your sides. If you're lying down, let your arms rest naturally, palms facing upward, inviting in relaxation and ease. Simply let go. Allow yourself to drift into deep peace. Tilt your head up slightly, just about 20 degrees, and focus on a single point. Keep your eyes open as you gently shift into the alpha state. And now, softly close your eyes and listen to my voice. You are about to enter a deeper state of relaxation, a level of calm and ease beyond anything you've experienced before. Deep relaxation is healing. It nourishes your body, restores your energy, and brings clarity to your mind. Take a long, slow breath in and exhale even more slowly. Relaxation is simple. All you need to do is let go. Let go completely. Let your body soften, your muscles loosen, your mind quiet down. Now imagine a warm, glowing white balloon. Picture it softly pulsing with light, expanding with each breath, radiating warmth and peace. Simply gazing at it fills you with peace and joy. This beautiful light begins to flow downward, gently wrapping around your feet like a soft, comforting embrace. One by one, your toes release all tension, growing heavier, more relaxed, completely at ease. Feel this soothing warmth seep into your feet, melting away any lingering tightness. Let your feet fully relax. Now, this gentle energy moves up through your ankles, flowing effortlessly into your calves, then rising to your thighs. With every breath, your lower body becomes looser, heavier, deeply at peace. The peaceful light continues to rise, spreading through your hips. A deep, comforting heaviness settles in, bringing a profound sense of relief. It feels absolutely wonderful. Deeper and deeper, sinking into a state of pure relaxation. Just let go. Completely let go. Allow your body to surrender to this peaceful stillness. Now feel this warmth flowing into your lower back, gently softening every muscle. It moves upward, spreading across your back and shoulders, melting away any tension. Your shoulders drop naturally, growing heavier, softer, more relaxed with every breath. Feel this deep relaxation expanding into your chest and abdomen, soothing every muscle, every organ. Your entire body feels comfortably heavy, gently pulled downward by gravity, resting in perfect ease. This deep relaxation flows down into your arms, traveling through your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Your arms feel completely at ease, soft, warm, and heavy. Now imagine the glowing balloon drifting up toward your head. It softens your neck, dissolving any last traces of tightness. Your neck settles naturally into a position of pure comfort. Allow this peaceful sensation to spread to your jaw. Feel your jaw muscles loosen and release. Your throat softens. Your tongue settles. And all internal movement slows to a gentle, effortless stillness. Finally, your entire head is at ease. Every muscle, every cell in your body is in a perfect state of rest, calm, and deep relaxation. You are fully relaxed, deeply, beautifully at peace. Your body feels light, yet completely at ease. You are floating in a space of serenity, a state of pure bliss. With each breath, you sink even deeper. Each inhale fills you with comfort. Each exhale releases tension, leaving you lighter, calmer, happier. Now allow your mind to drift, as if carried on a warm, gentle breeze. And soon, you find yourself in a place of perfect peace. Picture yourself in a beautiful, peaceful place. You are on a warm, tropical beach. The golden sunlight wraps around you like a soft, warm embrace. Your feet sink into soft, forgiving sand. As you step, warm grains flow between your toes. You sit back in a luxurious, comfortable chair, fully at ease. Before you, the ocean stretches endlessly, its surface smooth and serene. The gentle waves rise and fall in perfect harmony with your breath. With every exhale, you let go of anything that no longer serves you. Stress melts away. Your body becomes lighter and freer. Breathe in the fresh, stilty air. Feel the warmth of a tropical breeze, lightly brushing against your skin. You hear the distant cries of seabirds. You watch them soar effortlessly, gliding above the waves. A row of palm trees sways gently in the breeze, their leaves rustling softly. You scoop up a handful of sand, allowing it to slip through your fingers effortlessly. It surrenders completely to gravity. No resistance, no tension, just pure effortless release. In the clear, turquoise waters near the coral reef, the sunlight dances on the waves. The ocean is vibrant, warm, and inviting. A breathtaking sight. You are deeply, deeply relaxed. Your body feels light, free, and deeply at ease. A warm, radiant glow spreads throughout you, reaching every muscle, every cell, filling you with energy, peace, and relaxation. This is complete, effortless restoration. Your body is in perfect balance, flowing freely with vibrant energy. Sink deeper into this feeling. Allow yourself to fully enjoy this peaceful state. You know this is a place of health and renewal. Your body restores itself naturally. You feel younger, more vibrant, and full of life. And the best part? It all happens effortlessly. Each time you relax, each time you enter this state, you step into a sanctuary. Relaxation becomes easier and more natural. The more you practice deep relaxation, the faster and deeper you go. And the deeper you go, the more wonderful it feels. Any sound, any movement around you only helps you relax even more. Every noise gently guides you deeper into your sanctuary. Any last trace of tension simply fades away. You are completely relaxed, peaceful, happy, and content. If an emergency arises, you will be instantly alert. Your subconscious is always aware and will bring you back to full attention when needed. Right now, you are in a natural, healthy alpha state, open to positive and beneficial suggestions. Your mind accepts only what brings well-being to you and others. And whenever you want to return to this deep relaxation, simply think of the word alpha. In everyday life, alpha is just a word. But when you choose to use it for relaxation, it becomes a powerful tool, your key to peace, your doorway to calm. Each time you want to release stress or find serenity, simply press your thumb and index finger together. Let this small movement be a signal, an instant trigger for deep relaxation and inner stillness. Anytime, anywhere, if you need to relax, just press your thumb and index finger together. This simple gesture will guide you effortlessly into a peaceful, tranquil state. Now, feel happy, feel light, feel healthy, whole, youthful, peaceful, and full of joy. It's time to return to full awareness. As I count to 3, you will gently wake up, feeling refreshed, energized, and completely alert. 1. Feeling light, peaceful, and deeply at ease. 2. Feeling calm, joyful, and fully restored. 3. You are fully awake, refreshed, and present. As you open your eyes, carry this sense of calm and clarity with you. Let it stay with you throughout your day, bringing peace, presence, and ease into everything you do. Thanks for meditating with us. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who could use a little peace today.